Hi guys, I thought I'd show you how I'm putting together my trellises for my garden. I've had these a couple years and I just pulled them out and thought I'd go ahead and put these together and show you. I've got 2 in each box. They weren't very inexpensive, they're plastic, but this would be pretty good to run my beans up or peas or something like that in my garden. So I'm going to put these together and show you what they look like. Here's the box. There's 2 of them in a box. They come with the toppers, just a regular design like what's on this one here, or a bird. And actually what happened was I ordered them and they came with none, so I returned them, told them to return them. They told me to keep them and they sent me 2 new ones. That's why I ended up with 4. But I'm not sure where the other one of those, it may fell out of the box. It may still be over in my storage, but I'll work on that, look for that a little bit later. But I wanted to just show you, they're real easy to put together. They just snap together. They're plastic and very lightweight. I'm just going to put this chair over here, put these things here. Oh, here it is. I thought maybe it'd be down in the bottom of the box, so I did have it. So, oh, I thought I did. Yeah. Here's the other one, the topper. That was missing out of the first order that I had gotten. So it really just kind of gives it a little design look. And it just plastic. And it just sticks up there like that. I think they're cute. I think the bird ones would have been really nice too. You can see those. Yeah, there you go. So I'm going to put this one together and just kind of show you. Very easy. Got 4 of them with the bottoms. That's what you're going to put in the ground, so you know what those are. And then there's 2 extras, or 2 for each one of these to make it the height that it is. So I'll put those together. And then you've got the topper here. Snaps together. That snaps together here. Okay. Another one, snapping it together. Oops, that's the same one. It's getting really hot out here. I've moved us into the shade. That one goes here. And we've got this piece. Putting that top together. There you have it. And then you've got these little clamps that kind of hold them. It's these bars right here. They just hold them together. I would have thought I would have gotten 4 of these little ones, but they only sent 2 for each one, so maybe they just felt that it was strong enough to support that, just having 2. I'm going to put these on first. Just snap right in. Just like that. See, just got the little snap here. Just pop those on. I'll do this side. There. It'll start to support it so it'll stand up. Going to the next set. Put these last 4 support bars on. They're just the same thing. Everything's the same. It just snaps. And there you have it. Didn't take very long to do that at all. I've got another one. Like I said, I got 2 in a box. The first box didn't have this little topper part. So I asked them for a refund. I was going to send it back, but they said to keep it, and they sent me a box that had 2 new ones in it with the toppers on it. So I still can use this, but if I find something that could fit in there, that would be cute too. If I pick something up at a yard sale or a thrift store that maybe I could put in there, or even glue it in there, that would be cute. But I wanted to share that with you. Like I said, it just came in these boxes here. You can find them on the internet. And they're real cute and easy, and they're very inexpensive. Probably could grow, I'm looking at maybe my sugar snap peas, grow them up here, or some kind of green bean, or any cucumbers would kind of vine up there, and probably this would support them too. And then you just put them in the ground as to either in your garden or in a pot that you may have. So I wanted to share that with you. I think they're pretty neat. Are you wanting your food? You're so spoiled. Get down. Stop. Show them how spoiled you are. Just spoiled. I do want to show you my basil. Look how well that basil did in these pots, these milk containers that I put seeds just a few weeks ago. And I had them covered, and I just opened them up the other day. But look how nice they are. I'm getting ready to give away all my tomato plants that I have done. I do have some eggplant right here that I may try to plant. Some flowers, bellflowers. I'm really happy with those. I was surprised those came up, and I've got one out in my front area that's really pretty, and I ran out there and looked at it, and I'm like, this is the same exact thing, and I found the packet of seeds, and I'm real happy because those will come up every year. So I'm real happy with those. But these are all going to neighbors, and I'm going to take them down. Even if I have to plant them in their gardens myself, I'm going to get rid of them. Probably tomorrow, but I'm real happy with it. I did put some bee balm in this jug, milk jug or vinegar jug, and to see if I could get that to germinate. You know, maybe a little bit too late, but hey, my basil did it within 2 weeks. But we have gotten so much rain in the last few days, and we really needed it. The air was so bad that our allergies, and I've been fighting vertigo because of it too, but we have gotten like 5 straight days of rain, and I think we're supposed to have some more tonight, maybe then again over the weekend, but we certainly could use it. The lake is really low, but it did spoil the weekend for the campers and the vacationers coming down to use the lake this weekend because it did rain. But unfortunately we really needed it. It was so dry, so we're thrilled about that. And I did a little bit of rain dance, so hopefully you know, the trees and all the vegetables in the garden and flowers and stuff are happy with that, because everything does better when it's rain versus you taking your water and from the faucet and watering your plants. Everything seems to do much better, so I'm real happy with that. And what did you have to say?